One day I walked in my kitchen and found this.
Ugh, cat!
It wasn't the first time either, or the last. My sweet cat was becoming a mass serial killer. Sometimes the bird was dead, and sometimes it was still alive. And sometimes I would have to wrangle it away from my cat to help it escape. I did not know what to do. He kept bringing them in. So I did some research and found the answer to my problem. It was this really awesome cat clown collar. The Birds Be Safe cat collar cover alerts birds with its bright colors. And then the birds have time to fly away to safety. I thought there's no way my cat will keep this on. He hates collars. But he did, and it worked.
What do you think of your new collar, kitty? Hmm? What do you think? He is.
He's never brought another bird in since. Yay! By the way, nobody paid me to say this. So seriously, if you're having the same problem I had, you will want to try this, and I hope that it works for you too.